2021 at Dygma would make for a great TV show. It had ups and downs, fun and drama, hellos and goodbyes, and plot twists. So, before jumping ahead into 2022, let's look back at everything that last year had in store for us. Hi Dygmates, it's Dominique, and today we're going to travel back in time to January 2021 and walk through what had happened last year here at Dygma. So, buckle up. The freezing issue. 2021 started amid a crisis. I'd even go as far as to call it a nightmare, our darkest hour. Since mid-2020, some of our users reported freezing issues on their keyboards, and we couldn't find out what was causing them. We replaced their cables with new ones, changed many neurons, and even sent new raises and PCBs. But some users still kept experiencing the freezes. Luckily, thanks to a lot of research and the help of our Dygmates, we found what was causing the freezes: electromagnetic discharges. We officially hate you. And most importantly, found a solution that fixed the problem once and for all. Just a simple firmware update. If you want to know more, you can learn all about it in the video we've linked below or up here. Design, production, and shipping of the tenting kit. Once the freezing issues were dealt with, it was time to dive into our next colossal project: designing and manufacturing a tenting kit for the Dygma Raise. And that wasn't a walk in the park either. Just picture this. We were trying to manufacture a new product in China during a global pandemic without flying there and controlling manufacturing on the ground. We faced some setbacks along the way, including power shortages in our factory's region. But of course, our beloved customers, you guys, just kept asking for it. So we powered through, and boy was it worth it. We opened pre-sales in June, and the first batch completely sold out in no time. We had to prepare a second batch, which also sold out, and then a third one. However, the great success of the tenting has not only been sales numbers, but your awesome feedback, both on social media and in our post-sale survey. You can watch more about it in this other video. But to sum it up,
and I love it when a plan comes together.
Bazecor 0.3.3, the latest stable version of Bazecor. Alex has no time to get bored. We hit him back with more work when he thought he could focus on his beloved back-end development. In this case, developing a stable version of Bazecor 0.3.3. Besides working on the stability of the software, which was the critical part, we also included new parameters in the preferences section. Now you can fine-tune how your mouse and dual function keys behave or set Bazecor to dark mode. Finally, we added a search box in the key configuration menu, so it's easy to find the key you want. And we upped the macro limit to 64. It might not seem a lot, but the amount of work this required was insane. The rewarding part was that we finally offered you a configuration software that was easy to use, always worked, and was nice to look at. New members of the Dygma family. Last year, we didn't just expand our product line. The Dygma family has also grown. Stefan, our electrical engineer, joined the team in June. With his help, we developed new products much faster. Also, if the race gives you a shock, I can tell you where to find him. Boro joined our content department a month later, and he is simply the best. Actually, he wrote the script, so that claim might be a little biased. Mikel came along in August to be the head of content, and I can't say anything bad about him. Literally, he won't let me. Chris G, not to be confused with Chris, our customer happiness officer, is our digital marketing expert. If you now see Dygma ads on Facebook, you can thank him for that. Finally, our new UI and UX developer, Tiago, joined in November. Since then, he has been developing the new Bazecor interface, and boy do we like that. On the other hand, you may have noticed that I haven't been around much in our videos. It's not because they keep me in the basement, as some of you suggested in our videos comments. It's just that I have decided to pursue new challenges, so I'm not a permanent member of the team anymore. But don't worry, we're still friends. For real. Not in a we can still be friends breakup way. And we will collaborate from time to time, so you won't get rid of me so quickly. The new website. Do you know how long we worked on our website? I'll sum it up with what our CEO said. It makes me want to rip my eyes out! Maybe he should have used a more corporate approach like, Our website has lots of room for improvement. But he prefers brutal honesty. We designed and developed the website in-house at the cost of sweat, blood, tears, and lots of swearing. We had half of the team working exclusively on that for more than a month, but it was worth it. We know there are still some things to improve, but it's our pride right now. Look at it. Isn't it beautiful? New Bazecor, beta, and revamped UI and UX. We spent half of the year without making big changes to our software until finally the first beta of Bazecor 1.0.0 came along. Why did it take so long? Well, developing the new features wasn't easy, especially for the super keys. After many betas were released, we are now at beta 13 right now. We're still polishing them. We've even gone so far as to build a debugger to tackle the last pesky bugs. In the meantime, Tiago is working on the new UI and UX and testing it with some very helpful Dygmates. Thank you guys. It's almost ready to be developed, so you'll get to try it sooner than later. Our new Discord channel. Probably one of the happiest moments of the year was when we launched our new Discord channel. We wanted to step up our relationship with the community, and we did. Thanks to Discord, we now have a more direct way to be in touch with you every day. And it also allows us to have live Q&As with you, which we will continue to do more frequently. It's also a great place to share our thoughts, the good and bad things that happen in our lives, nice setups and keycaps, new ideas, memes, and much more. We love hanging out there, so don't overthink it and just join us. The link is in the description below. Black Friday Armageddon. We really need to talk to you guys about what happened on Black Friday. Like every year, we were expecting a surge in sales and had already reinforced our processing facility, but you guys exceeded all our expectations. At some point, half of the office was at the warehouse preparing orders. Even our CEO was there mounting switches and keycaps. But even that wasn't enough. We sold so much that it took us 2 weeks to catch up with all the orders. So we just want to thank you guys for all your patience and understanding during that time. The new Dygmate Partnership program. Another thing that we're really proud of is our new Dygmate Partnership program. Many of our users are adamant about their love for the Raise and praise it every time they can, be it on social media, their blogs, or among their friends. We appreciate it very much, so we wanted to give something back and also help our community grow. Limited edition colors. Finally, we didn't want to end this video without mentioning the limited editions we released last year. It's difficult to choose my favorite because they all look so gorgeous. From the Daredevil Red and Atlantis Blue released on Black Friday to the Galactic Rose, the Elf Green, or the Egyptian Gold available during Christmas. You've shown them a lot of love, so much that you've left none for us to have in the office, just the ones here in the studio, so expect some new ones soon. Actually, I don't have one. Can I have one? Yeah, thanks. That's basically all that 2021 had in store for us. It has been our best year so far, and also a fun ride, don't you think? Looking into the future, 2022 looks like it's going to be a lot of fun too. I can't really go into the details right now because I'd end up in the basement, but this time for real. But I am allowed to tell you that we will announce a new, very awaited keyboard really soon. Really soon. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and don't miss it. We also expect to have Bazecor 1.0.0 with the new UI and UX before the summer, and many other surprises we can't unveil right now. What's no secret is that we will continue growing the Dygma team. Right now, we're on the verge of hiring a new video editor and looking for a community manager, a head of people, a firmware engineer, a manufacturing engineer, and a development engineer. And that's just the beginning. We expect to grow the product and marketing teams throughout 2022. And that's all. I hope you had a good 2021 and I wish you the best for 2022. See you in our next video. Until then, take care. Back to the basement.